Hello, fashion enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel RB Creators Media. Today, we're diving into the dynamic and ever-evolving world of the apparel industry in India. But before we unveil the latest insights, make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell turned on. Stay in the loop with our fashion-forward content. Join us as we explore the current trends, challenges, and transformations reshaping the Indian fashion landscape. Let's discuss the current state of the apparel business in India. 1. Rise of sustainable fashion. India is witnessing a surge in sustainable fashion. Consumers are increasingly gravitating towards eco-friendly, ethically made clothing, driving brands to adopt sustainable practices. 2. Digital transformation. The apparel industry is embracing digital transformation. Online retail, e-commerce platforms, and social media have reshaped the shopping experience, enabling wider reach and accessibility. 3. Fusion of traditional and modern designs. A noteworthy trend is the fusion of traditional Indian designs with modern silhouettes. This blend caters to diverse consumer preferences, both domestically and globally. 4. Brand customization and personalization. Brands are leveraging customization and personalization. Tailoring products to individual preferences enhances customer engagement and loyalty. 5. Challenges amidst opportunities. Despite growth, challenges persist. Supply chain disruptions, changing consumer behavior, and competitive market dynamics pose hurdles that require innovative solutions. 6. Local artisans and craftsmanship. India's rich heritage of craftsmanship continues to thrive. Supporting local artisans and traditional craftsmanship remains integral to many brands. 7. Impact of changing consumer behavior. The evolving consumer behavior, influenced by factors like sustainability, social consciousness, and convenience, shapes the direction of the apparel industry. Expert interview on the current trends in India's apparel industry. The Indian apparel industry is adapting to a more conscious consumer base. Sustainable practices, technology integration, and cultural fusion are driving significant shifts. Let's explore some examples of Indian apparel brands that are setting trends and embracing the changing dynamics of the market. Example 1. Brand X, Sustainable Collections. Brand X introduced sustainable collections, emphasizing organic materials and ethical sourcing, resonating well with eco-conscious consumers. Example 2. Brand Y, Digital-First Strategies. Brand Y adopted digital-first strategies, leveraging e-commerce and social media to connect with a wider audience and enhance the shopping experience. In conclusion, India's apparel industry is a vibrant tapestry of tradition, innovation, and conscious consumerism. It continues to evolve, driven by creativity and adaptability. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe and share it with fellow fashion enthusiasts. Do follow us on Instagram and Facebook, link mentioned in the description. Check all past knowledgeable videos of the channel. All video links mentioned in the description. Stay tuned for more fashion-forward content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, see you in the next video.